So we ended up here, but we need to go through the triage first to assess her condition and to check if she has other symptoms that can indicate one might have COVID, as it's a standard procedures in this time of pandemic. Finally, we are allowed to go inside the emergency area. After she was examined by the physician, there were some blood works to be done, and while waiting for her as she undergo few laboratory tests upstairs, there are safety procedures being implemented that is in place to avoid the spread of COVID virus. Nandito ako sa LDBX Lourdes. With nanay, nagpapacheck up sa emergency room. Sana mapauwi kami. After all the waiting, finally done, and thankfully, she doesn't need to be admitted after all the lab tests and blood works. She was just prescribed some medicines to take at home. Time to deposit some money to the hospital. So we are finally going home, and it was such a scary moment to be visiting a hospital, especially in this COVID time. Thank God she is good to go. Just a reminder, wear your mask and face shield, practice social distancing, sanitize your hands and surfaces, keep it all clean, and stay safe, everyone. God bless.